Hi, this is Simon. Let's have a look at the under construction coming soon page setup with WordPress. So when you do a website and you install WordPress and you've got your plugins in, what you don't want to have your customers see is pages that are incomplete, like a menu that hasn't been made or a homepage that you're building. You want to put it behind an under construction coming soon type page. This is how you do it. So under plugins, go to add new, and then in here we're going to look for coming soon. This is the plugin that we use. Some themes have them already, but we're not entering the theme stage yet. This is all about plugins and first getting going. So we activate the coming soon plugin and it takes us straight in. Now when you first install it normally, it goes to disabled, and you type in a headline, you put some information in there. For example, at the moment, our homepage for this that we're building is that. We don't want people to see that, so we want to say coming soon, visit our website for more details. We might put in this for our website. And then we can highlight that. We can click on that to make it a link. Put in the link address and we apply it. Done. And then we want to make sure that coming soon is enabled, and then we save it. That's done. And if we now go back to the screen, if we refresh this screen, there we go. We have a lockdown coming soon page, and now we can start doing stuff with the website, building it while the coming soon is there. Now you can add a logo if you wanted to upload a logo. You can add media in here if you've got images to upload. But this is the basic page that you have if you want to set a coming soon page for your website.